Tuwai Monai, welcome, Mwakoi, and Tialelo, which means today. It's Mukimo, it's Monday. We will review a few things we talk about. Sakwisamba mianda yabintu twaisambile kala. This is what we talked about a long time ago. For instance, Minwe, we know that we have Minwe means fingers. We know Munwe Umo Ibidi Satu Naitano. We know which means one finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We also talk about many things in the body. We will continue talking about different things we can, and I'm still working on what really to present to you. I know that many of you want to write to me and then explain to me what you read. I really want to hear from you and to improve what I've been doing. I'm hoping that you will react and write, and I'm looking forward to reading what your comment. So God bless you, and I think we'll talk again. And we have many things we learned. I know you probably revise those things over and over. We learn about meso, mancho. We learn about diwi, voice. Diwi means voice. Kwisamba means to speak. Kwisamba, to speak. And we learn about Mudilo means fire. Mudilo, fire. Wakadilo, who has fire. And we learn about in Kiluba we talk about cars, Motoka. When we have a car, a Motoka, and if we have many of them, we all call Miotoka. And so we also could, if you say Dina Motoka, I have a car. Dina Motoka, I have a car. Dina Motoka, you have a car. Udina Motoka, he has a car. Tudina Motoka, we have cars. Mudi Udina Motoka, you have cars. Tudina Motoka, they have cars. So that's what I can think about. I'll be bringing little by little as we go, and as I said, we're working on it. But I'm truly waiting for your reaction, and wherever you are, please write to me, and I'll be happy to respond. Text me, comment under my video, and I will follow and respond to you, and then improve what I'm doing. So God bless you, and looking forward to talking to you again. Thank you.